Go.
Good day everyone, I am Joanna Marie Arbagang and I am from STEM 105. And for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng tutorial short video. So, ang meron tayo ditong given ay case 1 and ang given ay negative 2.16 tsaka 1.46. Una, kailangan natin hanapin yung given nito sa z-score gamit ng z-table. Bali, ang negative 2.16 na hanapin natin dito, negative 2. Tapos 16, bali ang value na ay 0.4846. Sulat natin. 0.46. And sa given naman ang kabila, 1.46. 1.46. Ito, 0.4279. 0.4279. Now, sa operation na gagamitin, nakadepende yan kung negative yung unang given, ang isa naman ay positive. Pag magkaiba sila ng operation, i-add mo lang sila. Then, pag same sign, isusubtract naman. So, i-add natin yung dalawa. Pag in-add natin sila, 0.46 plus 0.4279 plus 0.2145. Then yung magiging percent naman nito ay 91.25. Sa graph naman, gagamit tayo ng green ball pen. So, ang kailangan lang natin, tignan natin yung given, negative 2.16. Saan siya banda? Dito siya banda. Tapos sa 1.46, dito naman. Now, isi-shade na lang natin siya.
Hello, my name is Regina Gabriela P. Chavez, and I will be discussing to you today case 3.2 with example number 2. So here in the given, we have 3.92 on the left side and positive infinity on the right side. So taking note of the infinity sign, always remember that infinity is always equal to 0.5. So looking for 3.92 on the z-table, equal to 0.506. So it's put down 0.5 minus 0.506. So if we minus the 2, 0.5 thousand is equal to 0%. So if we were to graph this on the bell curve, let's take 3.92, which is here on the left side, somewhere before 4. Also take note that when you're using a less than or greater than sign, it always uses broken lines. And with less than or greater than always equal, you're using solid lines. So 3.92, and then the rest you shade them.